Welcome to our full guide on how to search effects in your Facebook stories. Let's dive into the steps together. To get started, open the Facebook app on your Android device. From your news feed, navigate to Create Story to begin composing your story. Once you're in the story creation interface, tap on the camera icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to access the camera and effects options. To search for effects, tap on the Explore icon at the bottom of the screen. This will open up a collection of various effects that you can browse through. Explore the available effects and select one that you want to apply to your photo or video by tapping on it. After choosing the effect, customize your photo or video as desired, then tap Share to post your story with the selected effect applied. By following these steps, you can easily enhance your Facebook stories with fun and engaging effects to make your content stand out. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to search effects in your Facebook stories. Get creative and add a touch of flair to your stories with a wide range of effects at your fingertips. Elevate your storytelling experience on Facebook with these exciting features.